Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Carpet Guys Cleaning Vlogs. I'm Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and these are my chicken mascots. Actually, these chickens live on the property here that I'm going to be cleaning today. And we'll take a look and see what I have at hand. It's a gray all nylon carpet. This one doesn't look too bad. All your spots are going to be through the entry around the kitchen. I believe she has 3 kids. I didn't see any signs of any pets, so more than likely they're just spills, maybe juice boxes and whatnot. So today I'm using my Green Dragon, and I'm also going to boost 1 ounce of citrus fire. And then in the spray bottle I have some Magic Bullet. I'm going to use my carpet brush as well as some Iron Man pads to follow up after the agitation. There's the old trusty 175. I chose not to shower feed today. I'm just going to use my work sprayer, spray down a nice even coat and shampoo it up, and then extract with the Iron Man pad like I said, and we should get some pretty good results. I am using my soft bristle Grande groomer brush today. I actually broke one of the deck brushes that I normally use to put triangles in. And I know the Grande groomers don't really create that same aesthetic triangles. There's a spot for some Magic Bullet, no problem. And I'm going to catch that back corner there, just working around the furniture. Okay, let me get set up and I'll let you watch me do a little bit of cleaning. Okay, so I used the brush and then the Iron Man pad to go over these areas. And I'll show you the pad. And the Citrus Fire, the boost that I added, has peroxide in it, so it kind of bleaches out. Oh, this is the new pad driver insert. The wobble that I used to have was from the old insert. It had gotten put on crooked and then spun, and that caused it to get warped. So now it's working great. Stay tuned. Alrighty, I'm going to flip this pad over. And I'll see if I can show you the pad. You can see the soil. It is coming out of the carpet fantastic. I'll hit it with the backside, and before I leave, I'll probably take a fresh Iron Man pad over the entire house one more time, just to help get it clean and a little dry quicker, because it is lived in. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hang tight to the end, and I'll talk to you about the results. Alrighty, I'll show you the pad, both sides penetrated all the way through. I am going to take a fresh Ironman pad and go over the entire area one more time. Look at that pad. Where does the soil go? It transfers into that pad after we agitate with the brush and the magic solutions we use. The green dragon will crystallize, leaving 0 residue. I did boost it with 1 ounce of citrus fire. That has the citrus D-limonene in it, as well as some oxy, which is a peroxide. And forgive the shadows, but you can clearly see I did groom it with the Grande Grooming soft bristle brush today. It does not leave aesthetic triangles, it just leaves a nice uniform look. You can see it turned out fantastic. I set the customer's fans in place. She left the home with her kids to go to the park while I cleaned, and then we'll be back an hour after I text her and tell her we're finished with the job here. So the fans are set up in place, one going down the back hallway and the other one going the other direction. So dry time should be very minimal. Looks fantastic. Another job in the books by Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to ring that bell for future notifications when I post more videos.